Hello everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. I've been away on vacation and just returned, so there's been a little lapse in the videos. So here we go, we're back on track again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade energy bars, Payday style. Alright, so let's get right to today's video. Grease and line a 9x13 inch cake pan. You'll need a total of 3 cups of salted peanuts. Make sure they're good quality and fresh ones, and you'll need about 1.5 cups for the bottom and 1.5 cups for the top. So start by pouring 1.5 cups into the bottom of the cake pan. Use a large saucepan that has a heavy bottom. This makes it easier to keep your mixture from sticking to the bottom or burning. Then measure and add 2 rounded tablespoons of butter and add that to the saucepan. Turn your heat on medium-high and melt that butter. It's best to have all your ingredients pre-poured before you start. You'll need 2 cups of miniature marshmallows, so go ahead and add that to the saucepan. This next ingredient, you can choose between whether you want peanut butter chips or butterscotch chips. Depends if you want more of a peanut butter flavor or caramel. But whichever way you decide to do it, you'll need a total of 2 cups. You could do 2 cups of one or the other, or 1 cup of each of the butterscotch and peanut butter. And that'll be on over low heat. You'll have to watch it doesn't stick to the bottom. So go ahead quickly and add a full can of the sweetened condensed milk and stir it briskly and remove it from the heat, and it should be warm enough to continue to melt until the mixture is smooth without being over the heat. And stir it until it gets nice and smooth like this. This is so easy to make. You just take it then and pour it over top of the peanuts that's already in your cake pan. I'm just saying too that the peanuts could be crushed peanuts as well. They wouldn't have to be whole ones. You might want to crush them if you want it to be a little bit less sticky. And you do have to be careful that you don't overcook it or scorch it, so you get this nice smooth texture. If you leave it on too long, you can make it more sugary, and you don't want that. Now you take the 1.5 cups of peanuts that you have left and you pour them over the top and press them into the bars a little bit. These are simple to make, they're quick and easy. This is the hardest part of all, is just getting it together, and then the rest of it is waiting for it to cool and set. You can put it in the fridge and leave it there for quite a few hours to set, or you can speed it up a little bit and put it in the freezer. Today I put it in the freezer, it made it easier to cut. And if you're wondering what kind of chips I used peanut butter chips today in mine. But if you're thinking on making it a little bit more like the Payday snack bar, then you may want to use the butterscotch chips to try and get that caramel flavor. Now I'm cutting these in 3 different sizes, some just for bite size and snack size, and if you wanted to have it as an energy bar, you can wrap it in some parchment paper or wax paper and freeze them, and then whenever you want to go out for a walk, you can grab one and take it along with you. You can eat it even when it's frozen because it doesn't really freeze so hard that you can't eat it. I think they do better if you individually wrap them, and so some of them I did wrap in plastic wrap as well. These are full of protein and great energy bars. And this goes right along the same idea that I did on a previous video when I did the Eat More snack bar. So you can go ahead and look that one up too if you want to. So thanks so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your support and giving this video a like and a thumbs up and commenting in the comment section. And until next time, happy eating. Now you might want to go make some.